good morning. Hello. I want to introduce myself. I am Arin Abuacan, 39 years old, living in Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. And I am applying as nanny or domestic helper in Hong Kong. I have 4 years, almost 4 years experience working in abroad in Hong Kong before as domestic helper for almost 4 years, and also in Taiwan. Actually, it's almost 4 years too, and in Kuwait. And now I'm currently working here in Palawan and hospital, one of the hospital here in Palawan as nursing assistant and NICU, neonatal intensive care unit. I have two kids. One is the oldest is 16 years old, and the youngest is 4 years old. And also, I have experience for taking care of newborn baby, like also here in the hospital we take care of the baby here in NICU, in baby ICU. And also what else, and I am hardworking, honest, and easy to easygoing person also. And also I am please, if you're gonna hire me, I will take good care of the baby also, and I can do some housework, and also I can do marketing, cooking, and taking care of the baby. Thank you.